Okay guys, welcome to another Scuba Chris video. I'm going to try these Whopper Ploppers. These are pretty cool lures. It's taken the continental US by storm for freshwater fish like largemouth bass. Okay, later on I'm going to use the big one here. Now this bigger one is let me see now. It is 1 3/8 ounces or 39 grams. Okay, it's 5 inches. We're going to do this one at a later date. Put that aside. And I'm going to pair that up with some Invisi swivels. And I'll be showing that at a later time. But tomorrow, I'm going to be using this Whopper Plopper here. Now, let's see. This one here is 0.4 ounces. It's 3.5 inches. So we're going to team this up with a hammer bomb to get some distance on it. So let's see what this looks like here. Okay. Looks pretty good. Now look at this tail. The tail spins like a propeller. So when it's going through the water, this would be spinning and throwing water all over the place and putting out a hell of a lot of vibration. So we're going to be using this one tomorrow, and we're going to get it out there because it's kind of light. It's only 0.4 ounces. We're going to be using a hammer bomb on this one. All right. So I'm going to use some 50-pound test mono on that one. Probably do about 4 feet. So it's well, maybe 3.5. Okay. So there's a lot of ways we can tie this to the front. Normally I would use a Palomar, but today let's try something different. We'll use a clench knot on this. Okay. See how we're going to loop it through. Now we're going to go through, turn around, going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go 6, 5 or 6. This one about 5.5. Okay. Then we're going to put this tag in back to the loop we started, like so. Okay. Then pull this, so it's going to be like so. See, so all these loops are parallel to each other. See that? All these loops are parallel to each other. And that's basically it. So what I normally do is I'm going to cut this not too short, about like so. And the reason I do that is because I hit it with my lighter. And I'm going to just tap it. That's going to be my security system, just in case something big hits and it tries to pull through. No, it won't. Normally I would use Palomar. Palomar works too. Okay. So I'm going to try to keep this end open, and I'm going to tie that into my hammer bomb tomorrow morning. So we're going to see how this works. Now this one over here, I plan to go a little bit heavier duty. I'm going to go maybe 60 or 80-pound mono on that one. And I'm going to use a Invisi swivel. So this would be at a later date. We're going to do this one. All right. Thank you. The Whopper Plopper is an amazing little lure. You can actually hear the tail is like a propeller. Fantastic. See that circular wake there? Something big just jumped there. Could have been a mullet, but just want to see. Run this on the surface. Nothing, but let's try it one more time, just to be sure. I guess it was nothing.